What my teacher's name again? My teacher name is Nightingale, so she teach me how to do experiment. Experiment because when you put the food color in the water and vinegar and it explode up like my teacher when I was learning school because I was bored.
Because you were bored.
Because I don't like school right now.
Okay, so what we need
We need
baking soda.
baking soda and food color, but
This is a vinegar.
I need
You can use
vinegar.
whatever vinegar you can get.
You're gonna put the like
But I
tomato
like this one because it has this like color red.
color red.
Red, you see? See that? It's a red vinegar. It
Okay,
says red
vinegar.
wine
Wine,
vinegar.
vinegar. So, guys, we're going to do today. I got my
And a
unicorn
cup
here,
in a glass.
and we got a cup in a glass. We're gonna make an
This
experiment.
is a glass.
Mom, I
This is a
can't.
bowl.
Mom, I can't see my eyes because it was way down. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do today? You can put a look. Oh yeah, like. Mom, I can't see. I can't see my eyes and nose.
That's it.
What? Guys, we're gonna do an experiment, okay? So I'm gonna you put it in. I'm gonna have this one.
You got
Guys?
to put the baking soda in here.
Okay, what I have to do? Okay. Some more. There's some more.
Pour the baking soda. Pour. 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 How about we pour in here?
Yeah, that's a good. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's on my hands. Mom's on my hands. I'll be right back.
Okay, we're going to put the baking soda here.
Wait. Ah! Wait.
And
That's enough.
whoa, what do you think is gonna happen if we put? And we're going to pour the vinegar.
And we're gonna
in
happen,
a glass.
guys. And we're gonna put this in the glass. What happen, guys? I'll pour it in.
Oh, not yet.
It's game.
What do you think is gonna happen?
I don't know.
Please put comment below what's gonna happen if you put the baking soda in a vinegar.
When you comment below, you hit the button right there. When you comment below, when you know what it is, we go spell it up or just nothing. Or tornado. I can put it now.
This is the amount of vinegar you can put. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Hold on. And see what's gonna happen. Hold on. Come on, hold on. Oh, no.
What?
Come on. There you go. Hold on, no.
What? I'm trying to do it.
Come on. Hold on, no.
Mom, stop it.
Hold on.
Mommy, why is it hold on?
I'm nervous. What's gonna happen?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Oh, no.
Mom.
Come on. Ready, set,
Go.
come on, pour it out. You see this?
Let's do that again.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Come on, Mama.
Wow, that's a lot of. How about if you put the candy?
How
This is a Mentos. Okay, what's gonna happen? Nothing.
Wait, we put more in here so we can put in there so we can put.
Wow,
Mom,
that was amazing.
I can put one more, please. One more.
One more.
Please.
We have to throw this away.
You're so scared, guys. You were so crazy, guys.
Alright.
Alright,
We
guys.
need to get another cup.
A glass. We'll be right back, guys. this for too.
Okay, we have a wine glass in here.
We got another glass, so that's Daddy's favorite. So he buy all the glass in there because.
Pour the soda in there. Baking soda. And I'm going to put another
Ma, look.
vinegar. Yeah. That's too much, baby.
I put too much so it can flow right here. Stay back. I'll get all them protected, so they don't have to be.
At this time, we're going to mix red wine vinegar and do we have white vinegar?
No.
Oh yeah, wait.
That's for
And
no
the white
with the bubble
vinegar.
sucking. Okay, we got one vinegar. Wait.
White vinegar. See what's gonna happen.
Nothing. Oh, this one. How about that one? How about that one, Mama?
Oh, not the oil.
Let's go. Ready, set,
Ready, set.
go.
Wow! It exploded like a volcano eruption. Wow, that was amazing.
They're protected. That's it for today. This too. So we're gonna make it for my teacher. So how you doing, guys? Guys, you doing good? Guys, we comment below what happens. I can pour in there.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Whoa. Yeah.
Stop.
Okay, that's it.
That's it for
Come on.
today.
Say.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the button right here and click the bell. What do you say? Oh, a 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye bye, Sky people. Turn it off.